Hey everybody, it's Al with CAD CAM Wizard. So today we're going to look at doing some engraving using a V tool and cutting on center. So let's go ahead and get into it. So to begin with, when we look at our job setting, basically I have it set to the size of the cutting board and then the thickness of the cutting board. Okay. I have it on center for 0, but you can 0 your corner, and I have it centered on the top of the material, but you could also 0 your bed. Okay, so I have it top center, and I click OK. All right, so now from in here, let me get out of this 2D routine. Okay, so this is my geometry or my text. So if I window pick it by clicking and holding the left mouse above the geometry and then dragging a window below and then letting go of the left mouse, that will highlight all this geometry, okay? And then if I double click on it, it will get this box that comes up, and then you can reposition it, but you can also scale it up or scale it down in size, okay? And what we're trying to do, we just want the tool to cut right on center, because based on the size of the text, we're having an issue using VCarve. It has a problem with the text. Okay, so what we're going to do instead is we have this highlighted. We're going to go to Profile. Okay, from here we're going to set how deep we're going to go. So I'm just going to say 080. From here we're going to pick which tool we're going to use. Okay, so we go to select to pick our tool, and then you can pick whichever tool you have. I think you said it was a 30-degree V-bit, so let me go ahead and select this, and then I'm going to edit it, and then I'm going to just make this 30. These are how aggressive it cuts, but I'm just going to leave those numbers for now. Okay, so I'm going 80 thou deep, and I have a 1/4 inch 30-degree V-bit. Okay, for my machine vectors, you could cut on the outside, you could cut on the inside. We actually just want to cut right on it. Direction climb is fine, and then from here we just click calculate. Okay, so then what that does is the tool will just follow the text, so we can run this through a simulation, and that shows you what it's going to look like. Okay, so just a quick example of using Profile to engrave with your V cutter.